In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of a device in Hostinger. If you want to review where your account is currently signed in, or you've noticed something that doesn't look familiar, Hostinger gives you a simple way to check your recent account activity and secure your account if needed. This is especially useful if you've logged in on a shared computer, used a public device, or just want peace of mind that only you have access. To begin, go to the top right corner of your Hostinger account dashboard and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find account-related settings and security options. Once that menu opens, choose Account Activity. This section shows you information about your logins, so you can review which devices or sessions have accessed your account. After you open Account Activity, take a moment to look through the login activity shown on the page. If everything looks normal, then you're all set. But if you notice anything suspicious, like a device, location, or login session you don't recognize, there's an important option available to help you protect your account. At the top of the page, you should see a button labeled Don't Recognize a Device. Click that option if you believe there may be unauthorized access. Hostinger will then prompt you to change your password. This step is important because updating your password helps prevent any unknown device from continuing to access your account. When creating your new password, make sure it's strong and unique. A good password should be difficult to guess and not reused from other accounts. That way, your account stays better protected going forward. After you change the password, the security process is complete. And that's it. That's how you log out of a device in Hostinger, by checking your account activity and using the device recognition security feature when something looks suspicious. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If you ever suspect unusual activity again, you can repeat these same steps to review your login history and update your password right away. Staying on top of account security is always a good habit, especially for hosting accounts that may contain important websites, files, or settings. Thanks for watching, and that's all you need to do.